Everyone, how are you, my kids? Hope you are fine. Now, today in our math class, our topic is numbers in words. Now, let's see if you can remember the numbers. Okay, I will show you the numbers very fast. Okay, let's see. What number is this? Yes, this number is 3. This one is 3. Now, next one, okay? What number is this? This one is 1, right? This one is 1. Now, next one. What number is this? This one is 2. Yes, you remember the numbers. Now, today we will learn the spellings of 1, 2 and 3. Now, let's go to the class. So, what number is this? This is 1. So, how to spell 1? Okay, it will start with O. Okay, it will start with O. Then N. Then I will put E. It will become 1. This spelling does not follow the rules of phonic sound. Okay, you have to remember the spelling. Now let's learn the spelling. O-N-E-1. You say the spelling. O-N-E-1. Again. O-N-E-1. Can you repeat the spelling with me? O-N-E-1. Try it quickly. O-N-E-1. 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 Okay. Now let's jumble the number. Can you remember the spelling? It will start with what? It will start with O. Then N. Then E. O-N-E-1. You say the spelling. Very good. You are learning very quickly. Now, what number is this? This is 2. Okay, can you say the sound of 2? T, t, t. So, 2 will start with T. Then, woo, woo. W. Then, woo. O. T-W-O-2. T-W-O. 2. Now you say the spelling with me. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. Again. T-W-O-2. You say. And say it quickly. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. Now let's jumble this. Now what is the spelling? 2. It will start with T, right? T, then, is it the right spelling? No. Then W, then O. So, 2. T-W-O-2. You say. Very good. Now, what number is this? This is 3. 3. Now, in the beginning of 3, what is the sound? Th, th, th. It is a new sound, right? So, let's learn it. If we put T and H together, the sound will be th, th, th. You say the sound with me. Th, th, th. You will remember it, right? Yes. Then, Now, can you remember the sound E? Long E. Okay. Double E. If we'll put double E together, the sound is E. So, what is the spelling? T-H-R double E. 3. Now make the sound with me. Th, say the spelling with me. T-H-R double E, 3. T-H-R double E, 3. Now quickly. T-H-R double E, 3. T-H-R double E, 3. Now let's jumble the spelling also. Is it the spelling of 3? Now you say the spelling. Okay, what will be here? Okay, it will start with T and H. Okay, T-H-R double E. Is it right? Yes. Now you say the spelling with me again. T-H-R double E, 3. T-H-R double E, 3. T-H-R double E, 3. Very good. Can you see the numbers here? Yes. There is 1, then 2 and 3. There is some spellings here. You have to match the numbers with spelling. Okay, here is 1. Can you find which one is the spelling of 1? This one? This one? Okay, I think this one, right? Okay, let's match the number with spelling. 1. Okay, O-N-E, 1. Now, next one is 2. Which one is the spelling of 2? Okay, very good. You guys are learning very fast. T-W-O, 2. Okay, now let's match it. Now 3. T-H-R double E, 3. You will practice at home like this, okay? Then you can remember the spelling. Now let's play another game. Can you see the spelling here? Yes. Now O-N-E. What is the number? Which one? Blue one or green one? You say. Green one. Very good. The spelling name is 1. O-N-E, 1. Okay, let's circle the number. Okay, next one. T-H-R double E. What is the spelling? Red one or blue one? You say. Yes, red one. This one is 3. T-H-R double E, 3. Now T-W-O, which one? Yes, the blue one. Then T-W-O, 2. You can practice like this also. Now let's revise the numbers, okay? What we learned today. 1. What is the spelling? O-N-E, 1. 2. T-W-O, 2. 3. T-H-R double E, 3. You will remember the spelling, right? Yes, you will learn these 3 numbers with the spelling, okay? Now, in the book, 87 number page, you will write the numbers, the spelling 1, 2 and 3. But you have to follow the handwriting rules, okay? See what I have written here. If you write capital letter, you will fill up the box here, okay? Okay, if you write small letter, you will fill up half of the box, W, then 2. Okay? T-W-O, 2. Okay? Now, you will write like this. Okay? See, I have written several times the spelling. You will write several times. Then you can learn the spelling like this. Okay? So when you write the numbers, you follow the rules of handwriting and send the picture to the miss. Okay? Now it's goodbye time. Allah Hafiz.